Letter E. Engine. Egg. Elephant. Elbow.
Concept. Same. The above apple is same as the below apple.
The milkmaid and her pail.
Patty, the milkmaid, had just finished milking her cow and had 2 full pails of fresh, creamy milk. She put both the pails on a stick and set off to the market to sell her pails of milk. Along the way, she started to think of all the milk in her pails and all the money she would get for them. Once I get the money, I'll buy a chicken, she thought. The chicken will lay eggs and I will get more chickens. They'll all lay eggs and I can sell them for more money. Then I'll buy the house on the hill and be the envy of everyone in the village. They'll ask me to sell the chicken farm, but I'll toss my head like this in refuse. So saying, Patty, the milkmaid, tossed her head and dropped her pails. The milk spilled onto the ground and Patty cried.
Forward slanting line. Backward slanting line. Introduction to number 3. Using your finger, trace number 3. Color the candies.
Origami dog step 1. Start with a square piece of paper. If it is colored paper, put the colored side face down on the table as shown below, then fold along the diagonal to make a triangle. Origami dog step 2. Now fold the corners together and unfold to give a crease as shown. Then fold the dog ears down using the crease line as a guide. Origami dog step 3. Next, fold the top and bottom of the head away from you. The dog is done. If you like, you could draw eyes, a nose, and a mouth.
Letter A. Apple.
Ant. We stay in a beautiful home. It has many rooms. We must keep our home neat and clean.
Living room, a living room. Has sofa, pot, television, table, shelf and curtains. Same. Different. My bedroom. Lamp. Wall clock. Pillow. Toy. Wardrobe. Bed.
We can see bed, pillow, wardrobe, wall clock, toy and lamp in the bedroom.
My kitchen. Fridge. Sink. Table.
We can see fridge, dining table, sink, plates, spoons, utensils, etc. in the kitchen.
Mommy and Daddy.